In this video, I will show you how to make high quality book cover for Amazon KDP. Let's go to Chrome browser and search here Amazon KDP cover calculator. First step is to calculate the dimensions of the cover page. For this, enter your book information here. Choose binding type as paperback and interior pages should be black and white. And select paper type as white paper and choose reading direction from left to right and choose units in inches and use standard size 6 into 9 inches. Minimum pages for your Amazon KDP book should be 24. So let's assume our book has 100 pages. Now click on calculate dimensions. So these are the dimensions of our cover page. Now download this template. These are the overall dimensions of whole book cover. So let's copy these dimensions and jump to Canva's home page and click on custom size and write these dimensions here. Now go to uploads and use this template. Drag and spread this template on the whole page. Now again go to uploads. And I'm using this picture. Now I'm using the exciting feature of Canva. Click on edit and go to Canva's Magic Studio. Click on Magic Expand. Select whole page. And here you can see Magic Studio has generated 4 different images, so you can choose any of these. I am using this one. Now reduce the transparency. And go to text box and write the title of your book here. Also write some text on the back side of your cover page. Once all design is set up, increase the transparency to 100 and change the font color to white. Once your book cover is ready, go to share option and click on download. Choose PDF print and CMYK is best for professional printing, and if you have Canva Pro then use this option and click on download.